Alright, let's see. I live and work in Los Angeles. Well, it's more like I work so I can live, and whenever I'm living, I'm working, thinking about working or figuring out when the next time I'm going to be working is, and I get this constant feeling that whatever it is I'm supposed to be doing, it doesn't involve doing that. And that's why I quit. Where do I go when I need to get away? I've been lucky enough to travel to a lot of different places throughout my entire life. And I've spent a lot of time trying to figure out what it is about traveling that keeps me coming back. It's nice to plan a trip and to go somewhere, and then when you get there, you made it. But I think it's true of all trips. It really doesn't matter where you go, because it's the actual going that matters the most. Where's my place that I go? It's been a lot of different places, but I think the best part of all of them was getting there. My name is Will. I just quit my job and I'm gonna go somewhere.